So what are functions? Simply, it's like a piece of code that you create and you can use and call whenever you want in the application. Let's see an example. How to create a function? We say def, which stands for define. We are defining a function. And let's say hello, close brackets, again a colon, and this function will simply print hello. That's it. So we created a function that prints hello on the screen. Now, anywhere in your code, you can simply call the function by its name. Just copy its name and paste whatever you want, say hello, like this. Let's run the code and you can see now it says hello. It looks very simple now and maybe weird. Why we should do this? We can simply print hello directly. Later on, when you create full scripts with multiple functions, you will see the power of using these methods and functions in your code. For example, later on we create a function that generates text with a language model, and then we can use this function anywhere in the code. Let's give somehow an advanced example. I will go back to our last example that we used to explain loops, and now I will create a function that prints the content of any list. Define print list elements, and then between these brackets I will pass a parameter. Simply say my list, and then go here, print the for loop, and instead of saying fruit I will say element, somehow more generic, and instead of fruits I will say my list and then print element. So this function will print the elements of any list you want. How we call it? Let's remove this code and get the function name, and between brackets we want to pass our list. In our case it's this fruits list. You see? Now we have a parameter, like a dynamic parameter. We can pass any list we want and the code here will be executed on this list. Let's try it, print, and we can see now apple, banana, and cherry. So functions, again, is a piece of code you define, you create, and then you can use it anywhere in your code. You will see the power of functions later on in the course.